Donald Trump is making a bold claim. He says America needs Greenland.
We need Greenland from a national security.
In an early morning post, Trump said US's control of Greenland is vital to national security. He tied the move to his proposed Golden Dome missile defense system. You see, Trump argues Greenland's Arctic location is key to countering Russia and China. He also warned NATO to act. Greenland's leaders strongly disagree. The territory's prime minister says Greenland will not become American.
Men en ting skal alle forstå. Grønland vil ikke ejes af USA. Grønland vil ikke styres af USA. Grønland vil ikke være en del af USA. Vi vælger det Grønland, vi kender i dag, og som er en del af kongeriget Danmark.
Denmark has also rejected the idea, calling Greenland a self-governing territory, not for sale. Despite Trump's hard line, any transfer of Greenland would require approval from Denmark and its people. So far, both say no.
Overwhelming. That I can put that in one word. It is quite overwhelming, especially with the example he set with Venezuela. It is like kind of last year it was a whole different thing. It felt more neutral. It felt more of a negotiation. This year it feels more of a threat.